People of Earth.
Who is this?
Mayday, mayday!
Fuck you! Fuck you!
I'm on fire!
Fuck you.
Come on, drop down, bro.
Thank you, doodle-doo.
Can I put my finger in your ass?
I've been cutting you, jerk!
Oh my.
Bullshit, man.
Hello.
Hello, you.
Right now I feel my professional life is like at a 9.
How's everything right now?
And my personal life is at like a 2. I lost my lover, and I lost my best friend. I miss you, man.
Me?
I'm so fucking good at you, half-life.
Can I taste your juice?
Robin! Robin!
Fuck my tight little pussy.
I'm gonna fuck you like a wild man woman one day.
Just fucking